James!
Mary? Oh, Maria. It's you.
I was almost killed back there! Why didn't you try to save me? All you care about is that dead wife of yours.
You're supposed to be the big man around here. How's a little girl like me supposed to help? Not very cute, is it? Here, James. You take it.
Thanks.
Alright guys, welcome back once again to Silent Hill 2. We had a pretty eventful last part, and we're getting ready to head up to the third floor, right? Yeah, because we went to the second floor and find anywhere else to go. I'm gonna guess that Maria's not going to be in the other world, because well, I mean, I don't know. I guess it depends on how it works. I guess I don't really remember how it's supposed to work. So, I don't know if everybody gets transported to the other world, or if it's just James. I guess it's our first time in the other world, or whatever it's called. Oh, hello. Again. I thought I was dead. No, you're not. Get down. Stay down. Did I get the other one? I know I shot it a lot of times. Okay, it's gone. We got here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go down to the end of the hallway and just start down there. Hopefully find some more ammo, since I just burned through a lot. I have 23 rounds shotgun. I mean, I still have a bunch. 133 rounds. I feel like I've been like a perpetually like 130-ish rounds. I want to see this way. I don't know if they're okay. They're not going to throw a third one at me. Lock's broken. Which one was it that had the save room in it? I think it was 11. Ampoule. Effects are powerful, restores energy by relieving pain. Oh, okay. Okay, so we got like our small, medium, and large. Paper on the ground. Only I can see the lady at the door. They cannot walk along her bridge of thread. They fall from the weight of their crimes. Okay. That made plenty of sense. So, she was an S3? Question mark? Oh god, I don't like that. Is this S3? This sounds like a heartbeat. Yeah. Okay, wait, is that... Okay, never mind. I thought that was a note on the floor. It looks like a vase or something. I'm out. The breathing is not cool. Yeah, this other world doesn't really remind me much of Silent Hill 1, like Otherworld. I can't see. I can't see. I don't like it. Oh, you're up and at him. Okay, for a second I thought there was one to my left. I was really nervous. I actually didn't even think of those doors were going to open. There's the elevator behind me, but I don't think that one works. That's the staff elevator. Oh, that's the one that doesn't move. And, god damn, these controls. It looks like that's blocked off. So I can try the storeroom, special treatment room. I need to go back and go through those. If I can. Is this a door? It is. It's music. Ooh, shotgun shells. Ooh, first aid and handgun bullets. I kind of wish this had a similar mechanic like Resident Evil, where the room was like a different color if you cleared it, or if it indicated that you got everything in a room. That would be kind of nice. Although it's not terrible, because if there's items, he looks at them, so it's not that big of a deal. This is the special treatment rooms, right? Okay. Locked. Good. I like when things are locked. Means I don't have to worry about walking into a room full of monsters. Oh god. I say that. Oh, this is a stairwell. And there's a save point right here. Okay. Well, that's nice to know. I think we're officially over 5 hours. Yep, by 2 minutes. I'll use this chance to get a drink and reset the recording. Try to keep it in like 10-minute intervals. Easier to edit that way. Okay, so I still need to try... I need to go back through here to try the other rooms there. I don't know exactly where I'm going. I don't really have much of a choice but to just try everything. Then again, do I want to go back into the examination room? That was less fun last time I did that. Locked, thank God. Just kidding, there is no God here. Or is there? I'm still not like really sure on the lore, because I think the whole like first game. Stop it. The first game, I think you kill God or fight God, or this version of God or whatever. What about this stairwell? Is this stairwell open? Oh, what the hell? Yeah, there's like a painting with 3D arms. No. What I just said. Okay, so I think that's everything. Yeah, that's everything here. So I'm gonna guess I need to go to the stairwell then. Maybe I'll get down to the basement that way. Not that I want to. Nothing about a basement's ever good. Where's the stairwell door? Okay, through here. Basements are never good, especially in Silent Hill games, I think. Is it this one? Yes. I say I think, because like I said, I've only ever played one. I don't remember if I actually went into a basement in that one. Well, I guess I played Downpour, and there wasn't really a basement, but I remember there was like, I don't know if it's like an underground area. I just remember something like chasing me down like a stairwell or something. I have a key to the basement, right? I got this battery, ordinary dry cell battery. Key to the hospital basement storeroom. Okay. I'm guessing that's where I'm going then. Okay, so I can't go in here. Oh, the fridge thing's in there. Which can I get through? Oh, I can't get out the store, so I guess it doesn't matter. Do I have any new memos? Probably not. Patient record, Dr. Erdl. Basement's basement. That's where I'm going right now. Right? That was that weird poem thing. Okay. I like status is just a green square. Lock is broken. Is this floor 1? Yeah, this is floor 1. I wonder if we're gonna go back in the garden. It's gonna be like big and open. Pardon? Excuse you? What the fuck is that? Are we gonna fight the Grey Children now? Because that is definitely a thing I don't want. Oh, hello, cat. Are you here to comfort me in my time of distress? Please don't be in here. Whatever that squealing is, I want nothing to do with it. Well, that's extremely obvious. Shotgun shells. Anything else? Doesn't look like it. Move the shelf. Well, yeah. That's about like Resident Evil putting the freaking yellow tape or whatever on shit. Oh, God. That's a ladder down, isn't it? Yeah, here we go. Here we go.
James!
Mary? Oh, Maria. It's you. I thought you were... Sorry. Anyway, I'm glad you're alive.
Anyway! What do you mean, anyway? You don't sound very happy to see me. I was almost killed back there. Why didn't you try to save me? All you care about is that dead wife of yours. I've never been so scared in my whole life. You couldn't care less about me, could you?
No, I
Then
just...
stay with me. Don't ever leave me alone. You're supposed to take care of me. So, what about Laura? Did you find her?
Yeah, but she ran away.
We've got to find her.
You really seem to care about her. Do you know her?
I've never met her before. I just feel sorry for her. She's all alone. And for some reason, I feel like it's up to me to protect her.
Okay, well that was a roller coaster of emotions there, Maria. Like, I did not expect her to show up here. Is she gonna be with me? Okay, yeah, she's staying there. That's the copper ring? Anything else? I think I'm just looking at her, yeah. Nothing else in here? She's got nothing to say. So, here we go. Are we done with this squealing? Nope. Well, I am done with the squealing. You may not be, but I am. I think all these doors are locked. But I wonder though, what am I supposed to do with the ring? Also, I was gonna say, like, when I was talking about her, like, switching up real, like, fast, I was gonna say it's funny how she's like, oh, you're supposed to take care of me, all, like, focusing on herself, and then it's all of a sudden, oh, where's Laura? Well, probably dead. Hopefully, I shouldn't say that. She's done nothing but almost get me killed, like, the entire game, so. Oh, cool. Save. 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 Okay, we're like 16 minutes now, so I'm going to keep going. At least for a little bit. I usually try to do it at a save point, but I guess I can just pause it whenever. I usually do save point in case I decide like to be done. Is there anything else over here? Or is this... No, that's dead end. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, this is the roof. My bad. Excuse me. Oh, duh, I should know. Not the save room, or the save point's right next to the door I came in. Okay. I'm hearing noises. I'm not sure if they're in the game or in my house. The only thing that I know of right now, I guess there's the hands on the stairwell door there. I wonder if the ring goes on the finger or something. I'm gonna try that. And then there's the fridge in this room that I couldn't open by myself, I think it said. So we'll go try the ring finger thing, and then that sounds terrible. Right? Yeah. There's nothing else in the storeroom. Oh, enemies didn't come back. Because now I'm escorting Maria again. The last thing I need her to do is intercept my bullets. There's nothing in those rooms anymore, I don't think. Oh, wait. Was there something else in them? No, I think this is for the wallpaper thing. I'm not hearing static, so I think I'm fine. Oh, God. That still scared me. Okay. Can I... It's locked. Okay. So... Use. Okay, it's still locked. But it seems like that's where it goes, so let me use it there then. My assumption is that where it needs to be. Okay, so what's on the second floor? Oh yeah, I should be able to get there straight from there. Okay.
Hi there, everybody! Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to another exciting edition of Trick or Treat. Here you either answer the questions correctly and win a great prize, or fail to answer correctly and receive the punishment. It all depends on you. And our lucky, or should I say unlucky challenger today is James. James Thunderman! Are you ready to play Trick or Treat? Okay, here's your first question. Merry-go-round, haunted house, roller coaster, Ferris wheel, and teacups. Silent Hill is home to a thrilling amusement park that both children and adults love. The question is, what is the name of this amusement park? 1. Fantasyland. 2. Silent Hill Amusement Park. 3. Lakeside Amusement Park. Okay, quickly on to question number 2. Silent Hill witnessed a gruesome murder a few years back. A brother and sister were playing in the road when they were attacked and chopped into pieces with an axe. Torn flesh, smashed bones, splattered blood, and finally... What a terrible tragedy. What a gruesome end to such innocent lives. What was the name of the murderer who committed this vile act? 1. Walter Sullivan. 2. Scott Fairbanks. 3. Eric Dane. Now for our third and final question. South of the lake is a deserted old neighborhood called South Vale. From there to Pale Vale, the central resort area northwest of the lake, there's only one road you can take. Just one road, no more. The third and final question is, what is the name of that road? 1. Bachman Road. 2. Rindell Street. 3. Nathan Avenue. Well, that's the last of our questions. Have you got it all figured out? When you know the answers, head to the storeroom on the 3rd floor to collect your prizes. But be careful if you're wrong. Well then, everybody, thanks for tuning in. See you again sometime. Bye-bye.
What was that?
Indeed. I'm guessing that is going to be a puzzle. Which I think the second one it said... I think, what was that one? Something about the murderer. Which I think that was Walter Sullivan, because that's the article we read, right? I wonder if that stuff's in my memo. Because there was the gruesome murder one. From paper... Yeah, there's the murder incident. Yeah, Walter Sullivan. Okay. Oh, come on. And there's the road that leads to the one town. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Will you open it? Sure.
You can't open it?
Yeah, Maria, give me a hand here.
Come on. You're supposed to be the big man around here. How's a little girl like me supposed to help? What's this? Not very cute, is it? Here, James. You take it.
Thanks.
Okay. Oh, wait. Hey, smells coming from inside. Yeah, it's been sitting there forever. Alright. Okay, I see a check mark. So I need to go up the third. It was on the third floor, wasn't it? Yeah, okay. So that's where we're headed. So what was I supposed to do with the quiz show thing? Oh, yeah, I gotta use it. Fun. Alright, I guess the door's unlocked now. Alright, I think with that, because we're well over 20 now? Yeah, we're well over 20. We're almost at 30 here, so I'm going to go ahead and call this an episode here. Appreciate you guys watching. Even more appreciation if you leave a like or a comment. And, of course, hit subscribe so you can watch me fumble my way around this even more. And we'll see you in the next part.